There is a sinking feeling every driver knows. You turn the key or push the start button on a freezing cold morning, and instead of a roaring engine, you just hear a pathetic series of clicks. That is the sound of a failed battery, the silent heart of your vehicle's electrical system. The automotive battery is essentially a chemical storage tank for electricity. Its primary job is to provide that massive initial jolt of energy required to wake up the starter motor and crank the heavy internal components of your engine. Once the engine is running, the alternator takes over, but the battery acts as a buffer, smoothing out voltage spikes and keeping your radio lights and computers running when the engine is off or idling at a stoplight. Most cars use lead-acid technology, where lead plates are submerged in a mixture of sulfuric acid and water. It is a violent chemical environment, which is why batteries have a limited lifespan, usually around 3 to 5 years depending on where you live. Extreme heat is actually the biggest enemy of a battery because it causes the fluid inside to evaporate, while extreme cold slows down the chemical reaction needed to deliver power. If you look under your hood, you might see white or blue powdery corrosion building up around the terminals. This is a sign that gases are leaking out, and it can block the flow of electricity. So, cleaning it off with a wire brush can sometimes save you from being stranded. Modern cars are incredibly demanding on batteries due to start-stop technology and advanced infotainment systems. So, getting your battery tested before winter hits is one of the smartest preventative measures you can take.